The Association Wheel application was designed to help you find shared customer passions implied by your brand assets. The wheel predicts which feelings, memories, or images are recalled in your customer's mind when exposed to an asset. Load an asset by clicking either the picture or word drop-down boxes on the upper right. When an asset order finishes surveying 3 associations from at least 200 human respondents, you can visualize these results with the association wheel. The inner ring reveals the first order associations, which allows the Mindspeller AI to embed the asset into the world's largest brand association network by linking with the second order associations displayed in the outer ring. Activate the percentages in the menu bar to predict how strong your asset is evoking each individual association. These percentages indicate the extent to which a specific association contributes to your customer's subconscious decision-making. Click the list view in the small bubble on the left of a wheel, or move the slider on the bottom right to reveal different portions of the dataset. Generally, category-related associations are at the top of the wheel, whereas you will find the most original or emotional associations hidden in the long tail of the wheel. The stability score shown below the wheel informs you about the ambiguity of an asset. A lower stability score below 0.5 indicates a high variability in the different types of associations obtained. This means the asset evokes many different things to different people and may be more difficult to establish meaningful associations with such abstract assets. On the other hand, stability scores higher than 0.5 indicate a relatively low variability in associations and thus represent something more concrete or unambiguous in the customer's mind. The color coding allows to visualize semantic overlap when loading 2 association wheels side by side. This feature allows you to reveal existing implicit connections with candidate intended associations for your brand. When finished with your analysis, don't forget to export your association wheels for reporting purposes.